We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 6.4 by 14 Dovetail utility trailer with 4-foot sides. This does have your spare tire holder, jack, coupler, and safety chains. It has the breakaway system. It does have 4-foot mesh sides with tie-down points built in. The floor is made of pressure-treated wood. This is a tandem axle trailer. It does come with 2 Greaseable 3,500-pound axles. Dovetail. This is fully wired with LED drive lights. It has a reinforced loading gate. Once again, this is the 6.4 by 14 foot Dovetail utility trailer with 4-foot mesh sides. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.